Unit 2, lesson number 1, Rain. Look, listen, sing and talk about the picture. The rain is falling all around. It falls on the field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas ear and on the ships at sea. By Robert Stevenson. Look and say, RAIN, rain, FALLING, falling, AROUND, around, FIELD, field, TREE, tree, UMBRELLA, umbrella, SHIP, sheep, SEAC. Name the things that you see in the picture. So things क्या क्या देखते हैं यहाँ पर? Clouds हैं, rain है, umbrellas are there, trees are there, fields are there, ship and here sea water. Where does the rain fall? So where does the rain fall? You can see it falls on the umbrellas, it falls on the trees, it falls on the fields, it falls on the ship and on the water, sea water. Where do you see the ship? तो शिप कहाँ पर देखते हो आप? You can see the ship in the sea. समुद्र में देखते हो. This is a ship